Hello guys, welcome back to Linux Art. My name is Tosif. I have created this Linux Art channel for beginners. As I mentioned in my previous tutorial about Linux download and setup, today I'm going to present you complete download, installation and configuration procedure in two parts that will assist you in complete Linux setup. Alright, let's learn together. First of all, before we start any download, let me explain you brief intro on these tools that we are going to download and install. So basically there are three tools that we need to install it. First one is VirtualBox, second CentOS, and third one is Putty. So what is VirtualBox? VirtualBox is basically it's a virtualization environment setup tool that we use it. You can use anyone like VMware or just for testing and learning purpose, I'm using VirtualBox. So Oracle VM VirtualBox, formerly Sun VirtualBox, is a free and open source hosted hypervisor for x86 virtualization. Developed by Oracle Corporation, created by Innotech, it was acquired by Sun Microsystem in 2008, which was in turn acquired by Oracle in 2010. So currently is owned by Oracle. The second one, that is CentOS, is an operating system. There are so many Linux operating system that you can use it. Like there are Red Hat, that is enterprise level. Then there's other distro like Fedora, Ubuntu, Debian. So similarly, just for training and testing purpose, I'm using CentOS. What is CentOS? CentOS is a Linux distribution that provides a free community-supported computing platform functionality compatible with its upstream source, that is Red Hat Enterprise Linux (RHEL). In January 2014, CentOS announced the official joining with Red Hat while staying independent from RHEL under a new CentOS governing board. And the third software that we need is Putty. Putty is a free and open source terminal emulator, serial console, and network file transfer application. It supports several network protocols, including SAP, SSH, Telnet, etc. So basically, we need all these three softwares. So here are the links that I have provided for each tool to download. Let me walk through this website and we can Google it, how we can do it. And I will go to each website and try to explain you where to go and which file to look for, and then you just download it. All right. All right, let's Google it. First of all, I will go to my browser. I'll try to download VirtualBox. Just type VirtualBox download. Hit enter. You will see the first website that is from Oracle. Just go to download. Once you click on this, it will display you this page. So over here it say VirtualBox 6.1.10 platform package. So it might be different. Sometime if the version change, they might change to a different version number. But eventually you will come to the same landing page. So there are different versions available for Windows, for OS X host like Apple and Linux distro Solaris. So as I have my Windows 10, so I'm going to set up VirtualBox on my Windows 10. So I will go for Windows host. Just click on that and you'll see the file start downloading. It will take a couple of minutes. So about other two tools, CentOS and Putty, especially for CentOS, I'm just going to show you a basic how you can download the file. You just go and click on that link and download it. Similarly, I already provided the links in the web in my PPTs. If you go back, there's a link for websites, but I can show you how you do that. All right, for CentOS, let's go to the CentOS. Try to search CentOS 7 download. I think there's a new version available that is 8. You can install 8 or if you like 7, both are just a little bit difference. I'll prefer to go with 7 and just click on any of the link. You can click on download link or you can go directly to mirror.centos.org. Once you click on this, it will take you to the next page that is here. So it will say parent directory, under that x86-64. Because my Windows operating system is a 64-bit, I will go and install for that one. Just click on this. It will open different, uh, cloud iOS images that you can install. Here are a couple of links. You can click on any link that you like it and just click on this link. It will start downloading. Once you click it, start downloading. Similarly, the VirtualBox was downloading, right? So the third software that you needed, that is Putty. Just go to putty.org. Then you will see the first link here, that is Putty. Download Putty. Putty is an SSH and Telnet client developed originally by Simon. So there's a complete detail about that you can find out. You can download Putty here. Just click on this link and now you will see it will display a window. Here it have 32-bit, 64-bit, and there is a Unix or Linux basically source archive. So basically we need VirtualBox, CentOS, and Putty is downloaded. You will see those files in your download folder. Let's go back to my download folder. I will see if it already downloaded. Here you go. Yeah. So VirtualBox, the new version is here, but I already downloaded all these three: CentOS, Putty, and VirtualBox 6.8. I also installed, basically downloaded Red Hat, but you don't need it for this one. You can do it by going to redhat.com. So let's go back to, how to install VirtualBox. Once you click on VirtualBox, let's go back to here. Just double click on this. It will open. 1 second. All right, it's opening. Here you go. The first screen you will see on installation of Oracle VM VirtualBox, that will say welcome to Oracle VM VirtualBox 6.1.10 setup wizard. Just so guys, on each installation there are so simple steps. You just follow whatever the default setups that are recommended by the software and you will easily install it. I'm going to show you VirtualBox installation, then the rest of two you just need to download, because CentOS image we just need when we need to build a virtual machine. That's in the part 2. But about Putty, that we can do later after once the virtual machine is installed. All right, so let's do next. Then you say select the way you want features to be installed. You can customize it or you can change the location where you want to install it or just leave it as default. Then you go to the next section. Please choose from the option below. Select the way you want the feature to be installed. Exactly, if you want a shortcut and you want to create a shortcut in the quick launch bar and you want to register file, just do next. So warning, network interfaces. Installing the Oracle VM VirtualBox networking feature will reset your network connection and temporarily disconnect you from the network. Proceed with installation now. Yes, we just click on the yes and we will proceed with the installation. But later we can set up, our network connections. That's not a issue. So I'm not going to do yes right now. You can just click on the yes, and the last after is after the screen it will start, doing installation, and you will see the last screen that will display that finish, and just you click on the finish. It will be installed. So let me cancel it. So the last screen you will see is say this. Instead of saying interrupted, you will say completed and just click on finish. All right. Thank you so much. And all right, guys, congratulations on download and installation. I already showed you my download files. There are three part software that we have downloaded in this video. The first one is Oracle VirtualBox, the second Putty, and the third one is CentOS. So once these are downloaded, then as you know, part one is just completed because we just downloaded all those softwares and we do installed the VirtualBox on our machine. And the next part two, we're going to create a virtual machine on our VirtualBox. We'll open a VirtualBox and start creating a virtual machine. All right. Thank you for watching and see you in the part two.